What's up, you guys? As you saw in last week's video, the katana is done. You also saw it 4 weeks ago that it was done. So, on Instagram, if you follow me there, don't forget to go there and follow me. So, we got the Goldwing on the bench. Ol Goldie is finally on the bench. Let's see here. What are we going to do to this? Well, we got to get the forks rebuilt. Suspension wise, we're going to get the forks rebuilt. We're going to replace the rear shocks. We're going to replace the brake rotors. We're going to rebuild the calipers. We'll replace all the lines with steel braided lines. As you can see, I got some parts laying around already. I got some new bars for it. We got some new mirrors. Already got the new seat sitting on it. There's the old seat. I'll be ordering some side covers. Let's see here. What else are we going to do? We're going to paint it. We're going to do some restoration. We're going to restore the gauges. We're going to polish. Lots of polishing. Polish cylinder heads. These could be done better. The carb hats. The timing belt covers. We're going to repaint everything. It's going to be real pretty. We're going to change out the tail light. We're going to add some turn signals. We'll add a side cover here. Still not sure what I'm going to do here. I might paint it. I don't know. I haven't decided. I'm going to polish the exhaust. We're going to clean up the crash bars. Fix all this jumbled mess of wiring. I don't know how well you can see that. We'll fix all the wiring that's here. Replace the grips. Here's what the bars will look like, roughly. Sorry. Got to hold the camera with one hand. Swapping for some drag bars. So it sits up a little higher, nothing crazy. We'll polish the forks. We're going to delete the front fender. We're going to repaint these headlight housings. We're going to repaint the gauges. I got some new grips right there, actually. I got that's the clock that came off the bike. I may stick that back on the bars. I haven't decided yet. I may order a new one. Who knows? We're going to make it real pretty. We're going to make it real fabulous. We're going to swap out the plate for the nice antique plate that I got. Just general touch-up. Lots of cleaning. Some wiring issues, body work where, if you check out my Instagram, don't forget to like and subscribe, or don't forget to subscribe to that, follow it, whatever. You know that I've wrecked the bike. That's what all this is. This is fiberglass. It won't be too hard to patch, but it won't be fun. And we're going to replace, steering bearings, wheel bearings, all that fun stuff. We got an oil leak to fix here. I'm going to get all this polished up, pretty and shiny mirror finish. Get all these gashes out from when I wrecked it. Get that, polished it up, pretty. Clean the motor. Probably change the oil like always. Tank should be good still. Yeah, we got lots and lots of work to do on this bike. Obviously, it's not going to be on the wheel chock or fully on the bench all the time. Like when we do all the front end crap, forks. Because I'm going to take the forks to get rebuilt. I'm going to order new rear shocks. This is going away, sadly. It's peeling apart there. It was cool while it lasted. Yeah, see that? So, it'll be pretty. It'll be fun. Lots and lots of videos from this bike. And like I said, it's a lot of general detail cleaning and stuff like that. Like removing little tags like this that you can't see, or that are harder to see. Like I said, general cleaning. Might replace the exhaust. These mufflers are great, but I don't like how much soot I'm leaving behind. I'll try and adjust the air fuel first. Maybe clean up or pretty up some of these wires. Reheat shrink them or something. Do a full-on tune-up on it. We'll replace the timing belt, adjust the valve lash. We're going to actually synchronize the carbs this time. We're going to adjust our air to fuel properly. I didn't know what I was doing when I built this bike. and now I know what I'm doing. Famous last words. We'll end up emptying the oil can out, and the tires are brand new. There's no sense in getting rid of those. We'll end up polishing these wheels, make them all pretty, clean them. You can see I kind of started here. I don't know how well you can see that. You can see that mirror finish that's there, or almost mirror. And if you come to this side, there is no mirror. You can see where I kind of half-assed polished it before. We'll be touching up the badge that's right here that you can't see because it's freaking late and it's getting dark because it's autumn. It is officially autumn. Yeah, lots and lots of work to do, and fastest way is going to do it is going to be do it one piece at a time. Some things we're going to interject in between this bike. That compressor over there in the corner, I don't know how well you can see that blue compressor. I got to rebuild that so that I can actually paint this bike the right way with the spray gun. Well, what else are we gonna do? We'll get that fixed up. We may end up just wrapping the exhaust and deleting these heat shields because these are all pretty bent out of shape, as you can tell from when I wrecked it. And as you saw in a lot of the Katana videos, this thing didn't move because this thing needs wheel bearings. This thing needs this bad boy needs lots and lots of tender loving care. But we'll get it done. We'll get everything wired up correctly and cleaned up and packed away. I can't wait to paint this bike, you guys. I am so looking forward to it. But we'll, you know, like I said, we're going to get everything cleaned up. We're going to polish it, paint it, do some body work, some suspension work, some brake jobs. We'll be, you know, getting rid of extra weight as much as possible, as much as is possible with a bike this size. You know, just like I said, we're just gonna clean it, make it pretty again, and we'll go from there. We're gonna stick with the gold and black colors, don't you worry. Probably gonna delete these badges and do some kind of stencil that's painted on. And then this, I'm gonna actually get a smaller one of these made. This is a sticker, actually, that's under clear coat. What I'll end up doing probably is I'll get a stencil made. It's just like this, and because we're gonna airbrush. To summarize, I mean, it's gonna look cool. We'll keep this border, we'll come down, or it'll be gold border, and we're gonna do some airbrushing on it. We'll follow the same thing here. We'll put this stencil on here. We'll put a Honda stencil up here. We'll do that on both sides. I'm gonna get a replacement frame or a replacement side cover for the other side. Y'all let me know in the comments. I'm rolling around on my stool, sorry. Y'all let me know what I should do with this diff that you can't see because it's freaking dark in here, and this bike is not little. Let me get a light on for y'all. Oh, wrong button. One moment, please. There we go. Yeah. See where all that exhaust dumps out from that muffler? Yeah. I'm not sure if we should paint it or polish it and change the exhaust. Y'all let me know in the comments, because that's something I'm looking for a solution to. We'll find a better way to mount the bell here. We may just get rid of the carabiner and just dangle it, or we'll cut this bar, or we'll end up cutting this bar, just drill a hole over here to stick it on, because that's for floorboards is what that hole's for, and I ain't ever going to floorboards on this bike. And you know, some general electrical stuff. As you can see, there's lots of filth to be had on this bike and lots of cleaning to do. That looks like we've had, do y'all see that brown at the carb hat? It looks like we've had some backfires through the intake. That's not a good sign. We're gonna get it running right. We're gonna get it cleaned up real good, real pretty. I'm trying to figure out if I should, you know, polish all this stuff or paint it or what. we'll figure out what to do there. We'll polish the horns, obviously. We're gonna paint the shrouds. Like I said, we'll delete the fender, and you know, we'll take it one step at a time. The first video is gonna be, I mean, this is the first video, but the first video where we actually work on the bike is gonna be a lot of, let me get to the side where you can actually see it. There's gonna be a lot of like little things here and there that never got done. Like I'm getting some itty bitty turn signals that I'll have to make a bracket for right here. Nothing too crazy, but we'll do it. We'll end up repainting this badge, make it look all nice and new and fancy. Kind of try and match the color scheme that we've got going. We'll paint the lights. We'll restore the gauges. Kind of a build order. We're going to start out by pretty much stripping the bike and figuring out what we're going to polish. The forks, when we put the forks back on, we will polish them, because wheels are one of the later videos that won't come out till, not wheels, brakes. It'll come out December to January. I don't know, I'm not looking at my calendar right now. So that's the plan. We're gonna make it pretty. We're gonna make it run right. Hopefully make it ride a little better. And I'll start riding this thing, you know, part of my, I'm doing a new series. I'm sure y'all have noticed. That's, we're going to call it Freaking Friday, is what I'm calling it. It's pretty much just a compilation of, you know, all the BS you put up with on your daily commute. Maybe some funny stuff, you know, some asshole drivers. We'll see how that goes. So yeah, I'm looking forward to actually getting to do some good work to this bike, and I hope y'all are too. So if y'all ready to see more footage of this bad boy and wanna fucking actually watch, don't forget to you know, like, subscribe, and click the bell to turn on notifications. Don't worry, there'll be a pretty edit there. And we'll see y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.